boost to come up with new things in our next sessions. I assume everyone is responding, so we'll move to the bonus topics. Now, you see, Pingfederate can be installed on Windows, and Pingfederate can also be installed on Linux. Now, on Linux, when we do installation, the installation can happen in two ways. Okay, let me just. So this is my Linux environment, guys. Okay, I've downloaded Ubuntu or whatever you call it. I call it Ubuntu. So apologies if I am mispronouncing it, but so this is my Linux environment, and here right now I'm logged in as root. So I have already installed and like not installed, I've already downloaded and put everything in place. So I'll go to my op directory. I'll do a LL. You see Pingfederate binary is there. So now what I'll do is I'll go to Pingfederate. Again, I'll do a LL. So you see there is again a Pingfederate. So I'll go to Pingfederate. I'll go to bin. So I'll do a LL. You see there are so many files. Now with Pingfederate, what happens on Linux? You can either install it as a sorry with on Linux side, you can install it either as a service. So when I say you can install it as a service, what it means is you don't have to like come into the console and always run it again, like start the Pingfederate instance again and again. Whenever you open your system or whenever you turn on your system, your Pingfederate will be up and running. You don't have to manually go and start it every day. Okay, that is one way, and that is how things are installed. But today we are not going to cover how Pingfederate is installed as a service. We'll understand how can you do a manual installation, like how can you just run, like how can you not like access Pingfederate without installing it as a service. So in order to do that, guys, what you can do is you have to come inside your bin directory, and there is a script called run.sh. What you need to do is you need to run this script. I'll do a /run and I'll do a tab. Now what you'll see that it will take a couple of minutes, and once I run this utility or this script, the Pingfederate server is going to start and it is going to run. It takes some time. Okay. But the problem with running it in this way is every time you log out from here, every time you terminate your session, you'll not be able to access your Pingfederate. Okay. You will not be able to do that. So that is the reason we install it as a service, so that you don't have to come in and do a run, like use this command and run the script again and again. So when we install it as a service, we use the same script. Okay. We use the same script and just we put it in a different file, so that whenever the server is turned on, that this script will run automatically. You don't have to do it manually every time. Okay. That is the only thing that we do. And we are going to cover that. How we install it, how we install Pingfederate as a service. And when you install Pingfederate as a service, there are two ways. You can install it using init.d file, or you can install it using system.d file. Now, init.d, for people who have worked on Linux, they'll know with like once you move to rel 9, init.d has become obsolete. So you cannot, and like you shouldn't be installing Pingfederate using init.d files. Okay. All the Pingfederate Linux installation should happen on your systemd. Okay. We'll cover everything, guys. Okay. Do not worry. This might sound confusing right now, but let's come back over here. So you see, I run this run.sh and it is saying my Pingfederate is running. So what I'll do is I'll open Mozilla. It will take some time, but it should open. It takes time inside the VM, so but we cannot do anything. We have to wait.